Hey guys, so it's Mike, the HVAC reefer guy. I'm at Tony's Refrigeration in Redding, California, and check out this this reach-in box that is in their shop and is running right now. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the detail. Look at the detail on that door. That is a Frigidaire original evap coil. Look at that door. Look at the inlays. And that's the original evap coil. Original. So they slid the 8 trays of ice right there up inside to be made. And then they closed this little lid, and that's the freezer. All original. Look at those hinges. Look at the decorative trim on those hinges. Look at the backside. Oh my God, is it just stunningly beautiful. Stunningly beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed that trip and got to see some history, refrigeration history.